Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Xero website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Xero. You can then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link saying Xero Accounting for Business. After that, you can simply hit the menu icon and then hit login at the bottom of your screen. Here you can enter your email address along with your password, but if you have not already created your Xero account, you must head back over, tap on menu again, and simply hit try Xero for free. Here you must enter your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your location. Make sure that you have ticked on I've read the terms and conditions and then hit next confirmation. After that, you'll have to follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After setting up your account, Xero will automatically log you in on the particular device, but if you want to log in to some other device, you must remember your email along with your password to sign in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.